Hi guys, today will be an interesting lesson. In the previous lesson we set up Postman and created a collection of API requests. We send them manually. In this lesson you will see how variables work and how you can automate the testing process. Let's continue. Here in this part you can create different Postman environments. Each environment can have a set of variables that will only work for a particular area. It is very comfortable. The tester can create his own area with his own variables to work with. And the developer can create an area with data that only he uses. Variables in the global part will work for everyone. For each environment you can make your own settings. Go to the Test tab. Here we will write our script. If we look at our requests, we will see static data in the URL, and we will change them to variables. This must be done so that each time you do not change it manually. Here on the right there are snippets. These are already ready-made solutions. Let's choose some. An expression has been created. Here we will enter our key and value and see how it works. Let's also go to the body and change the email. We also change it manually. We send a request and see that this data appeared in the MyQA environment. And now we order to automatically take data from the response and use it. We will add 2 lines of code. Repeat after me. We no longer need this line. We change email again, send a request and see that our is available in the environment. From where we will take it the substitute it into the static data that we say in the requests. Let's delete this line as well. It remains from the last check. Close unnecessary tabs. Copy these 2 lines and go to post creation. Before sending the request, do not forget to change the email again. Now we take the value of the new ID and insert the owner of the post into the field. Send request and success. You can see that the new post ID has appeared in the environment as well. Copy the code and go to create a comment. And in the body of the comment, you need to insert two new ID. We execute the request and see one more variable we need in the environment. And now we need to replace all the values that we insert manually. We need to change them to variables. Repeat after me and you will understand. Replace and save. Here we also select the variable we need and insert it. Now we know it will be substituted automatically. We do the same here. This request was copied from the past, so the body is not needed here. Same, this request was also copied from the past, so the body is not needed here. It remains to change quite a bit of static data. So let's try to send a request. We see an error because there was no need to change the query here. Let's return it. Everything is now working as it should. Let's move on. Let's add a test code to each request. Let's do it with a snippet. This is how the script for checking the response code to 100 looks like. Copy it and paste it into every request. Here we send a request, and in this tab we see that we were waiting for code 200 and it came. So the test passed. But in this request the normal code is 403 because the first request is a request without authorization. Change the value and repeat the test. Great! The test passed. Let's check all the other tests. And here there was a problem. The code should be 200. The body shouldn't be here because it's a get method. It's all right now. Let's move on. You remember that in the last request we checked if the user was deleted. The deletion was successful, so we can't find it and see the 404 code. Let's continue. Now we'll go into the snippets and add some more of them to make the testing of the collection complete. Let's choose this. We will check if there is an ID in the response. We know that when we send this request, the response will be ID. And we see that it is true and 2 tests passed. Let's check if there is another value in the answer. We see that the tests fail. One test failed because we did not change the email, and the second test failed because there is no such value in the response. Let's add another interesting test, but in a different query. We will check for header. We see that there is such a header and 2 tests were successful. If we change the values, then the test will fail. We will also add another test that checks the response time. Send a request and see the response time. Let's choose this snippet. And if we send a request, then the test will fall because the time in the snippet is less than the response time. We click on the collection and on the Run button. We see the entire collection. Here we can increase the number of collection runs. Let's run the collection and see how it runs. We see that the execution has stopped, and I know the reason. We forgot to change email. But we don't want to constantly change the email manually, so repeat after me. Now we order so that random values are automatically substituted. Enter the values that we want to change randomly. And we start our collection again. We see that the last test did not pass. Let's see. Error 404. Let's go to the test and submit the request. We see that the server sent a 400 error this time. The server decided that this response better described the file not found situation. Okay. Now the test result is displayed correctly. Let's launch the collection again. And I can congratulate you. Everything worked out. Let me remind you that we can easily fix this error and left it just to look at. You can export the collection we created and send it to your colleagues, for example. You can also run the collection many times and set a time interval between tests. See how beautiful it looks. It's time to like this video, write a comment and subscribe to the channel. So, in these 3 tutorials we've hooked up a Postman, created a logical collection, create some tests for that collection, introduced variables and automated that collection. Now the testing process can take place without our participation We will only watch the results. Put like. Bye guys.